Hi, and welcome to Crimping an RJ45 demo. We're going to go ahead and make a cable using an RJ45 with Cat6 cabling. So you can see I've already stripped the cabling and removed the pull cable and the binding from the center spine. I'm going to go ahead and attach a boot. What this boot does is it allows the cable connector on the RJ45 to not be broken. So it goes in like that, and the little tab protector helps it there. So we've got this tight. We're going to go ahead and untwist the pairs. As we untwist the pairs, we also are going to have to try and make them as straight as possible, so that way when we go to put them into the connector, they'll slide in nice and neat. Alright, almost done there. Alright, so we're going to pull them, try and make them as nice and straight as possible here. Alright, we're going to go ahead and use the B standard, which is white, orange, orange, white, green. So we're going to bring the white, green around here the best we can. Then it's solid blue, so we're going to get solid blue in there. So now we have white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, solid green, white, brown, brown. So just make sure all the colors are correct. Then what we're going to do is we're going to trim the cable wire just a little bit so that everything's at the same length, because we need them all to go into the small connector. So now that everything's here and in the right order, we're going to go ahead and trim them so that they're all in the same length. They're all together. They're all in the correct order. We're going to go ahead and put them in here into the cable. And then we put that into the crimper and crimp the connection. So plug it in here, make the crimp, and pull it out. And that is an RJ45. So we'll do that on the other end, and then we can test the cable to make sure it is in proper orientation and can pass with the cable tester. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.